Hey guys, Matt here with Greensward again, just another way to keep it green. We're going to talk about moles. And moles can be tricky. We don't have a mole program, so to speak, but what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate the food source. So if you look down here, you're going to see a little bit of a tunnel that kind of starts here and moves this direction. The earth is unhinged a little bit here. And so what we like to do is we like to attack the grubs, which are the food source of the moles. And once we kill the grubs, the moles are going to move on. So that's just another way to keep your lawn green and free of the mole tunnels, the animals, and the grubs themselves. Eliminating the grubs are just another way to keep it green. Grubs can kill roots, which eventually cause thinning turf. The turf can become unhinged or come off the ground. So again, if you're not on a grub program, you may want to consider that. You may have some thin areas that you just don't understand why they're thin. They could be grubs. Lift up the soil, see if there's any grub activity in there. If so, you can make a treatment to be able to kill the grubs. Make the grass stronger and keep the moles away. Just another way to keep it green.